Here's what this Jewish businessman told me. I said, how is it possible you got this much money and you're in your mid-30s, 6 million cash? He says, Patrick, there's one thing you need to know about Jews. I said, what's that? When one makes money, 5 make money. I said, what? He says, when one of us makes money in a business, 5 other Jews make money because we like to make money in groups. I said, so what's the benefit of that? He said, everybody keeps doing business together. He says, too many people, ethnicities, nationalities, cultures, backgrounds, they just want to be the one making money. They don't want anybody else around them making money. And then eventually they wonder, how come nobody wants to go into business with me? Because when you make money, nobody else makes money. So ask yourself the question, the person you're working for, does he make money and do you make money? The people that work with you, who report to you, if they give their best, do they also make good money the way you're making money? And the guy who had the $6 million was a Jewish businessman who owned dealerships in San Fernando Valley area. And he gave me an advice at 21 that completely changed the way I do business till today.
A Jewish person gets into a business. All of his friends see that he gets into that business. And Jewish people with their community are usually very open and want to support their community by giving each other business. So instead of keeping their cards to themselves and being all secretive about their success, they will usually share that success with other people. They'll hire from their family, they'll give contracts to their neighbors and to the people that go to their synagogue. And when people start getting a taste of that business, they usually go into that business as well. And that's how Jewish people dominate industries.
The reason why you don't have a lot of money left is because you don't know how to play the money game. Simple as that.